Welcome, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring and your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most on Locker Room. Thank you very much. Bafethu manje ku locker room lana namhlanje ngize nezinye manje. Yabo? Ngifuna ukuza nezinye. I mean ngishilo ngathi we are educational here at Uppercut Podcast. So please bafethu sicela ni subscribe ngiyanicela ngiyabona ukuthi ani subscribe la. Yabo? But ngicela ni subscribe nje ukuthi sikhule bafethu ni share ama video wethu abantu babone because it's educational for wonke umuntu. Yabo? Asipoint kumuntu oyi-one la asipoint kumuntu oyi-one sipointa sonke. No one is wrong, we are all wrong. No one is right, we are all right. Thank you very much. Yabona njengomuntu okhuliswe i-stepfather bafethu inzima both sides. Yabo, i-stepfather ziphatha ubunzima ziphathiswa yi-stepchildren. Yabo, or i-stepchildren ziphathiswa ubunzima i-stepmother. Yabona, vice versa uthola ukuthi umama lo i-stepmother asifuni i-stepchild, hey i-stepchild asifuni i-stepfather inyakanyaka. But now ngicela ukuthi si-separate lento. Yabo, sibeka abo stepfather la, sibeka i-stepchild la, stepmother la. Omunye nomunye azi-check ukuthi yena i-contribution yakhe yini ukuthi lento esithi sayakha mhlambe ukumshado. Yabo, esithi siyenze impilo ibe right ibe ngcono silungisa ama mistake isebenze. Yabo, esikhathini esibhaya kuba ngathi manje if ungahlukana nobaba wakho nobaba omntwana oqala first baby daddy kuba ngathi nalabo abanye uzohamba uhlukana nabo. Yabo, mangahlukana no baby mama kuba ngathi nalabo abanye uzohlukana nabo. Kuba ngathi lentwana le lentombazane le stepchild maka lose ubabakhe or umamakhe in a way of divorce, naye kuba ngathi uyaziluza naye uluza abazali boyi-two omunye umluza lokwakhona lapha phambi kwakhe because now the parent does not think straight. Now they are affected because abantu sizama ukuzivala. Hey uqine uye phambili kanjani, be strong kanjani, ma head to head baba. Yes. Ma head to head kwesinye isikhathi kuzomela urole nayo until uzuhile. The best way to heal is give it time, angithi? Yeah, but manje abanye abantu sizoyithola ngathi manje okay same time after I get hurt and then I must be strong.
Yeah. Bounce back immediately.
I can't. But ke mina as number one educational speaker of it, and I want to talk about this topic, stepchildren, stepfather, because the great abuse is there. Yabo, nami I'm from there. I was a stepchild in my life. In three stepfathers. I was a stepchild in three stepfathers. And myself, I was a stepfather in my life. 3 times. I'm telling you, 3 times I was a stepfather. So I experienced it both sides, I'm afraid. So I'm gonna give my opinion as far as I saw it. Yabona ngibonile ukuthi ngiqale nge-stepchildren. Hey, abanye abazali i-stepfather ne-stepmother, they find it hard to love us even though they are offering their all. At some point we stepchildren, we give them a reason to say I tried.
I don't have to put up with this.
I tried. Now Wanoke no sampling. Yes. But when now it comes to public, you as a parent, you are to blame. Or when our stepmother says, "How wena stepfather se jwang o mong le mong ba beha imibono yabo yabo depending on your favorite uyabona ngoba lo mphakathi lo mawababekela istory bathemba wena ba attacker loya loyana makabeka istory lapha kulela side nabo bayaboya ba attacker lo uyabona so always two side mara abantu asesihlanganisi to make it one side. That's our biggest problem. We all know that there's two sides of the story.
Yes, always.
Yeah, but we hardly combine those two sides and make it one and look at it as one.
Yes. We just choose one. We
just choose one always. That's where we're wrong, my brother. You know. So, ngiyabona ukuthi abantwana esahlupha because now my mother or my father talked bad about my father or my mother.
Yes.
Simply because they separated bona, they fought bona. So when I ask questions or when they see me worried recently after the divorce, now they want to protect me, as they always say. Again, now they will read between the lines of okay, Lena maybe o stress when papa haya asaleyo. But they will try to comfort me and protect me wrongfully. Yes, they have to protect me. But now they don't have to lie about my father or about my mother. They don't have to lie.
I feel that.
Their problem is they include now, they put spice now in the meal. So it will be spicy, how they like it, so that it can work on their favor. Forgetting or now that what is going to happen to the mind of the child. Because when now you pet mouth my father, ne tata wa bona so ubua tsa di entseng akere ubua now later wrong. Forgetting or nna tse ka ngwana I also know yours that you don't know that I know. I live with you guys. I lived with you guys. So both of you as a child I know about you, things that you'll think I don't know about. One understand that because I don't have a strength as a child to address those issues at that time. But now Haselelwana, I will address it, but secretly. Kimuva. I want already.
Moving accordingly.
Yeah. So now when mama head no, opet mouthile ole waka original okay. Then otlale omo. Mama or papa. Otlale omo. O batla ke respect o. O batla o ke mona le better than my father. Because of the you guys fought. Forget it. Forget about it.
Yes.
Hey, forget it, mfowethu. O ba le nna ke na le the way I saw things.
Yes.
The time we were fighting.
Not what you told me.
Not what he told me. When I so I will become a monster to the stepfather that is gonna come in. I'm telling you. Because I'm trying to retaliate. To fight for my father. I'm trying now to tell you already. I know more about you as well.
Yes.
My father is not the dirtiest here. Or my mother was not the fairest here.
Yes.
As you are saying. So now, most of them, maybe they will believe me when I say,
Yes.
Even the biological ones with two parents. They can break that family, that strong family.
Yeah, the bond.
Yeah. When Antonam they was petting a corner, they all stole to a matraxin or hambe so abazalabako. They are fighting in the bedroom. What situation is associated? Bauchalemela, yes. One shot. Bauchalemela, yes. But now, they were lebona on their space. They are trying to figure things out. In 12, Bakalwana Balwan, because all our favor, all in our favor, I'd say, all our favor, even all happy live or all our favor. One will think that I nakin no ratambanabaka fita papa. Le papa, mama, harate bana kin no ratambana fita mama, you know. There's always that secret fight in their mind.
It's a competition
towards the child. That's why we come on sar harqabana rna utlwa sar ke tsamale bana bag. Sankhathile immediately baka wa bona ga ding ma bra ke riding e jalo so behavior ba dintona tsa gona ke batla le bona ba tsebe gore le ka senya mfana whether maybe le qashitse mo le dulang or o le dusa me bophelo ke yo monna o tlile ka montlong. Not all men are like your father.
Yes.
On chola mfana. If that's the case, wa bona ska lwantsha now mama a re o tsama thola happiness. In other words, kana go mo batlo samela wena life. Wa bona o sa shebile wena. That's how people are think mfana. Batho ba baholo ba nana jwalo. Hai na ke tsa bana baka. Ke tsa bana baka. Until they forget themselves, even if they get abused. But he said it
For the child.
For the child. Although it is wrong, because if they die, how is this child is going to feel, my brother, to hear that my mother died because of me? He was hustling, she was hustling for me. She didn't want to leave that man, that abusive man, because she was trying to protect me. To make me have the right future. Because that guy was working and stuff. Putting something on the table. So it is so important bafethu let's checkmate le lona. Umama akho ubaba akho uphuka umoya. Nawe futhi njengomntwana usamgcizelela. No, you should be number one fan wena to your parent. Any of them. Wabona wena ke batswadi ba hao. In fact, I would like to say bafethu from experience ska kena ntaba tsa batho ba baholo. Wabona ska kena ntaba tsa batho ba baholo bafethu. Because batho ba baholo le bona ke di hypocrites at some point, especially when it comes to love. On that one, love. Elders are hypocrites, bafethu. So that thing destroys you as a child in your future now. Because you might think like that.
Yes.
You might say, yeah, let me abuse. So Lena, I might as well.
Yes.
No, it doesn't work like that. You are independent in this life. So kana go ke batla gore a ke batla gore now ke bua ka di step children particularly. Wa bona we know they are wrong le bona ba baholo, but a ke re tla ka yona to the next show.
Yes.
Yeah, the stepfather, yeah, the stepmother. But now I'm on stepchildren because I was the one of them later. Or at some point, kalbaka la kwata le rona hole affecting the separation in our family. Wabona e ka tsama le rona ntweo. O thola re sa re tsama re senya whatever. E mama or papa re ngwa esama. Onthola. So checkmate bafethu. Yabo. Checkmate ka ntho tse pai ha iska qala ka wena ntwanaka wa thola mamela o lady la hao le utlile bohloko enough time la o le utlile bohloko enough ntwanaka. They only want what's best for you. Like this December ke a kwala jwanong o ska tlo re ke personal wa bona this December bafethu don't want that your parent cannot afford, please. Ska batla ntho e boneng ka dichomi le wena o batlo ba le yona ntwanaka. Sheba your situation wena o dula kae. Wa bona look how you move wena o maqala o tshwana le maqala mo tlole ke maqala, yes, mara their life is their life, your life is your life. Ke kwala bafethu ke nna la ntseba apa, please in supporting bafethu. At the end of the video bafethu le tla click mo le support bafethu, please. Wantshwa shebellang video tsa rona bafethu. Wa tseba dileng ya stepchildren bafethu, it's critical. Ke batlo bua le bona ngqona wa bona ke batlo bua le wena ngqona. That guy, as long as o bona mama o thabile, as long as o bona hore the running of the family is stable, I man be grateful. Be grateful. Wa bona lo wena sebedisa opportunity ya hao he ya o etsa future ya hao e be right. Right there. Don't break that family. Wabona, my brother.
Mm.
There are families that wish or I wish family lenke be sa break here. Wabona. So ka bona wena o ka ra esa break here. Be grateful enough. Wabona. And then to show that you are grateful, spread peace, spread love, spread respect.
Yes.
As long as you have those to yourself, I'm telling you, the world is gonna love you. I'm talking about people now.
Yes.
Yeah, the world is gonna love you. God is gonna love you back. People are gonna love you back. Yeah, we don't have to be close. We don't have to know each other. We don't have to touch each other. We don't have to make love or have sex. To love each other. Love is independent right there. Abantu yiba but mina nginothando marumelele and nangu uyaqula manje ufuna ivalidation.
Yes. That's condition.
There's sometimes most of people that are talking like that, they don't know what the love is about. They don't know what love is. And they don't know how to use love. They can't even see love.
Yes.
When they see one. When love is presented in front of them, real love,
yes.
They're always mistaken.
They have their own idea of what love is.
Yes. They always classify things.
Yes.
They always put themselves first
in a box
of saying, okay, now I'm gonna expect this and this and this and this and this and this because umphakathi kothando. No. Uthando is not your company that you work in. No. It's not a hustling space.
It's not a system.
It's not a hustling space. It's not a scrapyard la sekalisa khona.
Yes.
Sakalisa ukuthi anganginikane ulethane etafuleni ulethane. It's not about tables in real love. You are one.
Yes.
Gone.
But I have a question before you close it.
Yeah.
Would you say there's a difference between relationship and love?
Yes. Very much different. Because now we have a relationship like me and you right now, right?
Yes.
A living example.
Yeah.
Yes. But we can't make sex, right?
Yes. Definitely not.
You have a relationship with your grandmother.
Yes.
You have a relationship with your brother.
Yeah.
And you don't talk to your grandmother like you talk to your brother.
Yes.
But all in all, you have a relationship. You relate, guys. You relate. But and you love each other.
Yes.
As well. Love is one. There is no uthando lo brotherhood love. Brother unyenye sisterhood love. Love is one.
Yes.
But everyone has a job.
Yes.
As you have a job to everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. To maintain.
So
I'm talking about to take care, love, respect those people that you relate with,
Yes.
Love them, Yes. But now everyone has their job, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Within the relationship.
Okay. And then now we love each other. Same applies with love. That's what I want to say. Yeah. Relationship, same. You can't have a relationship without love.
Yes. But you can have love without relationship.
No. You can't. You can't separate those. To me, it's like you are talking about one thing in different languages.
Okay.
One understand the love and relationship. Same as trust and love.
Yes.
I don't really deeply understand how they say love them all but trust no one.
Yes.
You see, they remove trust.
The quality of love, in a sense.
If I don't love you, my brother, I can't trust you automatically. I can't trust.
Yes.
If I don't trust you, to show that now it's separated, but I love you, but I can't trust you. So I can't leave you in my house alone.
Yeah.
Or what? And I will have to be behind you everywhere you go. Putting a spotlight on you. So when you're gonna now be mistaking that, or else they don't love me.
Yes. Because there's no trust.
Even if they can tell you, no, we don't trust you. Yeah, it's because you don't love me.
Yeah.
You know? So we can't separate those.
I get it now.
One tell my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I wanted to say, fella, my brother, hey, as closing happy as a stepchild, Buffett, take advantage of the situation.
Yeah.
You are not the one to be blamed here. You are not at fault here. Just remember your independence in life. As a stepchild, a boy and a girl. My boy. Those step parents, they are not like your parents. They are your parents. Tell yourself here, it's a start, so that you can respect them when you address them.
Yes.
You know, any issue. Now I encourage not to be silenced. You know, yeah, be a talkative child, but now have timing. When, where, with who, how. Thank you. Ke nna apa lebitso la ka ke tsamaile.